In this short video, I just want to show you and explain to you some of the benefits of adding some clover seed to your lawn. I had a new customer in the summer, and as you can see, she was complaining about a very dried out lawn, grass wouldn't grow in certain places. She's very keen to get the garden as wildlife friendly as she could, so I suggested some clover seed, and also I sowed some wildflower seeds in the borders which I created. So some of the benefits of adding clover seed to your lawn are that it actually draws nitrogen out of the air, puts it into the soil, which helps naturally balance the levels in your soil of nitrogen. Also in the summer you're going to get some lovely flowers which are going to help pollinators and small insects, which is a key thing these days. And also it's quite drought resistant, it doesn't need nearly as much rain and watering as grass. And it also acts as a natural fertiliser as well for the grass that's actually growing around it. So as you can see, it's filled in the gaps in the lawn very nicely, and the customer is very happy with the result. I had another customer with very similar issues, lots of bald patches and areas where the grass just didn't want to grow. So I did a mix of new grass seed and some clover seed in this lawn, and as you can see here, it's filled out very nicely. I did this lawn in sections, and this was the first section I did, due to there being a fair bit of garden furniture that needed to be moved around, so I wanted to get one area established first before then reseeding the other half of the garden, which I will do at a later date.